Don't be afraid of pasta because nothing says Mediterranean diet like pasta. I'm Dr. Terry Simpson, weight loss surgeon trying to keep you out of my operating room and certified in culinary medicine. Why did they like pasta and why are they so thin if we think pasta makes you fat? Pasta was a dish that allowed you to get full or satiated easy. And even today in Italy, they use pasta as a secondi, a second dish, so you don't need as much meat because meat was very expensive. For the Mediterranean diet, we de-emphasize meat, but we emphasize whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. And in this dish, we have the whole grains from the pasta, we have fruits from the tomatoes, and we have some vegetables from the onions, and we have a little bit of garlic and even some capers. Whole grain pasta is a part of a Mediterranean diet plan, so don't be afraid of pasta. Now that the onions are translucent, I'm going to add some oregano, some pepper flakes. Now we're going to add some orange zest and garlic. Now we're going to add about a pint of grape tomatoes. Then we're going to add the orange juice. About 4 minutes in, add your capers. This will give it a brininess and saltiness. I add a lot. I add about 6 teaspoons of capers. And then recover because we're waiting for the tomatoes to get so hot that they're going to actually burst. We're waiting for the tomatoes to get done that they burst. If they don't, you just use the back of your spoon like that, and they're all nice, and that just releases that flavor from the tomatoes. Now we're just going to add some of our pasta that's been out and drained. And we saved a little bit of pasta water, so we can always add that in there. Add some cut up leaves of basil. Turn off the heat. Toss it in, then we'll add some cheese. At this point, you could also add olives, a little bit of cheese. Sometimes people are always shocked when they go to Italy or they go to Greece and they find that the people eating the traditional diet are not only thin, but they're healthy. This is a traditional Mediterranean dish, and it's worth a couple of points on the Mediterranean diet plan. So if you're kind of hungry and want something filling, think some good whole wheat pasta with all of this delicious stuff. My mouth is watering. I've got to eat it. Like, follow, share.